Welcome to a handcrafted mountain cabin on 32 secluded acres with panoramic Peters Mountain views, your own creek, orchard, and total privacy. This is West Virginia living at its finest. Perched atop a hill in the rock camp community, Locust Ridge Farm is a one-of-a-kind retreat blending craftsmanship, comfort, and the serenity of nature. The property features rolling pastures, a small orchard, woodlands, and the Wiseman branch of Rock Camp Creek flowing gently through the bottom corner, creating a private sanctuary for recreation, gardening, or quiet reflection. Step inside the cabin and the warmth of handcrafted woodwork immediately embraces you. Cypress siding, poplar floors, cherry, red oak, and white pine fill every surface, creating an authentic, cozy mountain atmosphere. The open mini great room combines kitchen, dining, and living areas seamlessly. Butcher block island with epoxy resin, stainless steel farm sink, and high-quality appliances provide modern convenience without compromising the rustic charm. Clever features like barn-style sliding doors, built-in storage, and a sleeping loft maximize every inch of space. Outside, the lifestyle possibilities are endless. 10 acres of pasture, a barn, a storage building, and fruit trees provide both function and beauty. The property is accessible via a winding driveway, tucked for complete privacy yet only minutes from Union and within easy reach of Lewisburg, Ronceverte, and White Sulphur Springs. 32 acres, handcrafted perfection, panoramic mountain views, and creekside tranquility, Locust Ridge Farm is your private